Hi everyone, welcome back to Elevate Your Equity. I'm Tiffany Kent, your guide through the intricate world of finance. Today we're discussing a topic I frequently encounter in my work, the decision of divorce when faced with infidelity. It's a situation many of my clients have bravely navigated, and today we're exploring it with an eye on growth and empowerment. In my career as a financial advisor, I've worked with incredible women facing a tough choice of divorcing a spouse who's been unfaithful and wants to leave. This crossroads is challenging, but it's also a point where true strength can emerge. The dilemma is real. Stay in the familiarity of marriage, even if it means dealing with betrayal, or face the uncertainties of life on your own. It's a decision that's about more than just emotional well-being. It's also about financial independence and security too. What I've seen in my work is that nothing short of inspiring. Women who choose to step out of a broken marriage often discover an inner resilience they never knew they had. They find that beyond the fear of the unknown lies a journey of self-discovery, financial empowerment, and personal growth. I've witnessed clients transform their lives after divorce. They've not only regained their financial footing, but they have thrived, rediscovered their passions, redefining their fortunes, and becoming role models of independence and strength. To anyone contemplating this life-altering decision, know that there's a path to fulfillment and independent life ahead. It's not just about closing a chapter, it's about opening a new one full of possibilities. If you're on this journey, or if you've seen the transformation in your own life or others, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experiences are invaluable. Remember, it's not just about surviving, it's about thriving and writing a powerful new story for yourself. Thanks for watching.